Ever wondered how one goes about applying for dual citizenship, specifically American and Mexican? The process may seem daunting, but with a bit of guidance, it can be a smooth journey. To begin, it's crucial to understand that dual citizenship allows a person to be a citizen of two countries simultaneously, enjoying the rights and benefits offered by each. The process of applying for American and Mexican dual citizenship involves several steps. Firstly, establish your eligibility. For Mexican-American dual citizenship, one way to be eligible is by birth. If you were born in the United States to Mexican parents, or vice versa. Another way is through naturalization. If you're a citizen of one country and meet certain requirements to become a citizen of the other. Once you've determined your eligibility, the next step is to gather necessary documents. For American citizenship, you will need documents such as your birth certificate, proof of residency, and identification. For Mexican citizenship, you'll need your birth certificate, proof of Mexican nationality, for instance, a parent's birth certificate, and identification. The third step involves submitting your application. For American citizenship, you'll need to complete Form N-400 and send it to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. For Mexican citizenship, you'll submit your documents to the Mexican Embassy or consulate in your area. After submitting your applications, prepare for the citizenship tests. Both countries require a test to assess your knowledge of their history, government, and culture. You'll also need to prove your proficiency in English for the U.S. and in Spanish for Mexico. Once you pass your tests, you'll attend a swearing-in ceremony. In the United States, you'll pledge the oath of allegiance. In Mexico, you'll make a declaration of nationality. So, let's recap the process of applying for dual American and Mexican citizenship. First, establish your eligibility. Next, gather your required documents and submit your applications. Then, prepare for and take your citizenship tests. And finally, attend your swearing-in ceremony. Remember, the journey to dual citizenship is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience and diligence. But the rewards, the rights and benefits of being a citizen of two countries are well worth the effort.